Next question, question number 4. Two persons are standing on the opposite sides of a tower. They observe the angles of elevation of the top of the tower to be 30 degree and 38 degree respectively. Find the distance between them if the height of the tower is 50 meter. So in this question, it is given one tower is there, AB, okay, and two persons are standing on the opposite side of the tower. One person is standing at C and another is at D. Then when they observe the top of the tower, the person standing at this point makes an angle of 30 degree and the person who is at D makes an angle of 38 degree. Then you have to find what is the distance between them. You have to find CD, okay, and the height of the tower is given 50 meter. So in this triangle we have two right angled triangle. One is ABD, another is ABC. So first we will use both triangles individually, okay. We will find BC and BD, then we will add them, okay. That will be the distance between two person. So AB is height of the tower 50 meter, C and D are positions of the two persons respectively, C and D, and CD is the distance between two person which is asked in the question. So first we are using triangle ABD. So triangle ABD, perpendicular is given, we need base, so turns permanently black. We have to use tan 38 degree is 0.78. You can copy from your book, okay, it's already given in book. So tan 38 is 0.78, turns permanently black 0.78, perpendicular is AB, base is BD is equal to 0.78. So AB is 50, BD is equal to 0.78. Now cross multiplication, 50 is equal to 0.78 into BD. Now we need the value of BD. BD is 50 divided by 0.78. So on division you'll get 64.10. It is the value of BD. So now again we have to use another triangle, okay. We have to use ABC to find BC. So we will use tan 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, turns permanently black, 1 by root 3, perpendicular is AB, base is BC is equal to 1 by root 3. AB is 50, BC is equal to 1 by root 3. Do cross multiplication. You'll get 50 root 3 is equal to BC. Again put the value of root 3, 1.732. So after multiplication you'll get 86.6. Now we need the value of CD and CD is BC plus BD. BC is 86.6 and BD is 64.1. So 150.7 meters. So this is the distance between two persons. Now next question number 5. A kite is attached to a string. Find the length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meter and the string makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. Now here first you make the height of the kite from the ground, okay. This is the height. Suppose here is kite, so this will be the string, okay. You know how to fly the kite, okay. What is the position, okay, how it looks like. So this is the string of the kite. Kite is here and this is the distance, vertical distance from the ground, and the string of the kite makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground, and height of the kite is 60 meter. You have to find the length of the string. You have to find this hypotenuse. Now you have to find hypotenuse. We don't need base. So AB is height of the kite, 60 meter. AC is length of the string. It is asked in the question. Now perpendicular and hypotenuse. For perpendicular and hypotenuse we have to use sine. Some people have. So we'll use sine 30 and the value of sine 30 is half. So in place of sine 30 write half. Some people have. Perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC is equal to half. AB is given 60. AC is equal to half. Cross multiplication 120 is equal to AC. Now AC is 120. So this is the length of the string. The length of the string is 120 meter. Now next question number 7. The upper part of a tree broken over by the wind makes an angle of 45 degrees with the ground, and the distance from the root to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 15 meters. What was the height of the tree before it was broken? Now first you have to make this tree. Okay, this is tree. Now the tree is broken. Okay, suppose at this point the tree is broken. Then this AD, okay, this AD is broken part and this D will touch the ground. Okay, and right here C, at the point C, the top of the tree touches the ground. Okay, then and it makes an angle of 45 degrees with the ground, and this top of the tree touches the ground 15 meters away from the foot of the tree. First you imagine this is tree. Okay, tree before it was broken, and the tree is broken at a point A. Then what will happen to this part? This part will touch the ground. Okay, it is not separated from the tree, it is just broken. Okay, then this D touches the ground in this position. Okay, then right here C is the point at which the top of the tree touches the ground, and the top of the tree touches the ground 15 meters away from the foot of the tree. Now you have to find what was the height of the tree before it was broken. So what is this height? You have to find this height before it was broken. What was the height of the tree? So BD is the height of the tree before it was broken, question mark. So BD is the actual height of the tree before it was broken, and you know this AD and AC are same because this broken part is AC. Then AB is the height at which the tree is broken. So this AB is the height at which the tree is broken. And AD is equals to AC, broken part of the tree. Now in this question, what you have to find is you need to find this height. Okay, so you have to find this perpendicular, and to find this you have to find this hypotenuse. So in this triangle you have to find perpendicular and hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, tan 45 is 1, turns permanently black. AB by BC is equal to 1. AB by 15 is equal to 1. AB is 15. So you will get the value of AB is 15. Now we need this hypotenuse. So here I am using sine. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Some people have 1 by root 2. Perpendicular is AB. Hypotenuse is AC is equal to 1 by root 2. So AB is 15 divided by AC is equal to 1 by root 2. Now cross multiplication, 15 root 2 is equal to AC. Now this is 15 root 2 and this is 15, and this is also 15 root 2 because these two are same. So the height of the tree is 15 plus 15 root 2. So height of the tree before it was broken is BD, and BD is AB plus AD. So 15 plus 15 root 2. You can take out 15 common and 1 plus root 2 meter. This is the height of the tree before it was broken.